Warrior, you're in for a good time, and I'll show you. I'm gonna throw a corpse off the news.
The fuck? How was there fucking red airplanes at like D6?
The
Launch.
carrier, the
Rhode Island
Oh,
launch. Or
came
not Rhode
off
Island.
of a.
Khaki.
the yeah. As soon as they're ready, that's something you should pick up on. As soon as they're ready, they'll launch. Like as soon as they're reloaded, they'll launch from the front of the ship.
God damn, who's already spotted?
The Yamato. DD at A. I'm located, Bravo.
Closest to me is going towards B.
Okay. Oh, what was that aim, dude? Dude, auto aim is.
Alright, it's over here at A now. I'm gonna catch a torp.
I'm spotted, Bravo. I'm spotted.
Directly through A.
Yeah.
I'll radar once he touches cow. Oh, god damn.
Jinin.
Oh, dude. Yeah, pooped a little. If he touches cap, I radar.
Corpse.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I gotta take one of these, I think, on the nose.
Jinin.
That's better than the alternative. Alright, you ready for radar?
No.
Oh, I already fired a Jinin.
Because now I have to get the fuck out of here.
Bye bye!
Yes, I'm ready for radar. Okay.
What out there?
Is he going out of it? Oh, he shot.
He shot, yeah. You have a few more seconds. He smokes, he'll go invisible right now.
He's gonna take these.
Oh. Oh. Let's blind it. Come on. All right, follow me in. Follow me in.
He's missing a back gun too.
I think that's a glitch. Those are probably too
Oh,
high.
they got,
Lino at the middle.
I'm gonna
they
say
got
he's
pain
over
on
here.
their team.
Ah.
Mr. High Grade.
Dude, if I hit this, I'm gonna freak the fuck out.
I guarantee he
Plane's
went.
coming in.
Yeah, I see them. Good call.
I only got one.
We got a few. Still spotted though, so he's. Oh, he did.
Dead.
Good torps.
Hooray!
I think this might be a radar. Turn. He's gonna be spotted here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's smoke.
Is he?
Shit, he just went into the fucking smoke. Yeah, he's smoke. I'm gonna try to blind fire this Rhode Island.
Hold on. I'll have eyes here. Hold on. I'll have eyes in like 5 seconds. Should be spotted here any moment.
Too late.
Okay.
Oh, fuck! I knew I should have shot that sooner. Fuck! Oh, yes, Rhode Island, please, back up. Do that. Back up, baby. And capitulate.
Is Jim here? Jum is here. Jum is always here. The DD is in C right now.
It's high grade, if you haven't seen it.
What's he in? A Laffy.
That'll be a tough fight for me, having already lost
Yeah,
2/3.
because we won't do anything to help.
Not even nigger here. Orb. On Mino.
God damn, Rhode Island, just fucking die.
I hit Mino.
Oh shit, he's right there.
Oh! 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 Doink!
What? What the fuck happened to my shells?
He's flooding. Oh, he's flooding, dude. Who's ready for the big boob commanders? Oh, we love them, dude. We love them.
Alright, I'm just gonna get these battleships lit up here and stay away from B.
We lost C.
Yeah, so we'll have to have one of you two contest the Bravos.
I can contest it.
Watch that Aki.
Yeah, and Laffy has 8-kilometer torps. They're not quick reloading or anything.
I'm closest.
I'm located,
Oh
by the way.
shit! It's not. No, that's Aki, I think. I'm spotted. I think he's going into B.
Yeah, I gotta be careful about getting crossed from the north here, so I don't know how much I can contest.
Well, I think they all went to that side. Like,
No,
I'm only
well,
spotting Montana.
The DD is on this side. But yeah, in terms of battleships. I'll go. Moto, are you, brother? Fix my loadout. Thank you, Vasily. Thank you. Too late. Thank you. Spotted.
I'm located.
Oh, yeah, this is going to be a
I
problem.
think that's gonna be Aki. I think Aki's probably hiding right fucking there.
Well, Aki just dropped planes on me.
Flood Montana.
I got a shot here at Yama. I might be able to chip him. Oh, he's turning fucking hard. God damn it. Oh yeah, he's right next to Kong. Laffy's right next to Kong.
I got this, Yamato.
I'm going right through Kong's nose.
See ya.
Corazzata nemica affondata.
Hey, Phil. What up, brother?
Yeah, I would stop shooting too, high grade. I fucking see you, bitch. Yeah, it's just, he's right, he was in there. I shot the back turret at him, and he stopped firing immediately.
He's on the north side. Not detected here. Is that where your twist is, Bravo, or is yours the battle?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, he's that square.
Yep.
That square.
He's gonna know I'm here, but he might suspect me. Well, I probably should just get.
He's got me lit. He's still sitting there.
I can pull the radar, but he's just gonna drive behind the island. He said.
Well, just let me do the here. Let me do the right thing.
I just went dark.
Planes overhead.
Yeah, it comes from me
DFA.
for sure.
One down.
What's his health at? Do we have a health meter on high grade?
No
He hasn't
idea.
been
I
spotted
have
in
not.
a long time. Okay.
He's left the area.
I'm not located, so he's closer to you.
Bravo then.
I'm not located either. Oh, yep,
What?
now I'm located.
I think he's outside
Hey,
channel.
I'm gonna swing around and get on the other side of you.
Just be careful. I don't know where these two battleships
Something's coming
are up
around the
north.
north. Dude, this might
Yeah.
be, yeah. It just switched over here.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm
that's why I'm
gonna-
coming up here.
I'm gonna continue to go too.
I'm lit. It's got to be back right. It's got to be like
Dude,
G.
it's pointing
oh
right
shit!
here. I can radar whenever.
I just fired.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
15 on reload.
Tell me when you're at 5.
Oh shit!
Don't worry, he's looking at me.
Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it! Burn it!
Oopsies. Did you forget that I have 100 mil bow? Wow, look at that. Look at that shit.
Bro!
Dude, are you kidding me?
Next shells are hitting with 4 citadels? That Aki's
All right.
coming.
Yeah, he's coming.
Mm-hmm. Did you
Watch
say?
out, he has a win rate of 33%.
Did you say ram? Did you say dodge ram?
That's what I was gonna do, and he hit me 4 sits to the fucking nose. This guy hasn't won a game in 3.5 years.
Bravo, I might die. Just for
That's
full
fine.
transparency.
I'll just drive away then. That's fine.
Yeah, he's in the cap.
Yeah, high grade is chasing.
Chat, do we do it?
Look at that!
Oh shit. I didn't mean to do this. Oh, damn it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't. Was that Spartan in the Montana? Yo, easy. Oh, Minnie, what up, dude? Never trust Aaron with corpse. Yeah, how do I get a gap that splits a fucking battleship?
How does I get that?
How does me get that? I think our Mino might be dead. How does me get that? Now he's alive. Cool.
For now, wait till fucking Jason Bourne of Aki ships shoots at him.
Jeez.
Fucking wanted. Just turns the turret as he fires. They curve.
Curve. Curves the. Mino, where? Oh, that's where he was going. I'm an idiot. Ignore me. He's got HE loaded. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Add 3 torps? You're goddamn right. You're goddamn right. So don't use it like that. Yeah, that was probably not the best.
Torque high grade, get wrecked, nerd.
That was probably the best, not the best game to display, Venezia.
I like how this guy's torping with 3 seconds left.
It's
He
how
takes
does
a
he
sip.
go?
God damn.
Yeah, dude. 32, 29, 28. I needed you to do 5 points better, Pete.
You know, if I didn't get hit the way I got hit, I was trying to ram that full health active.
Well, if my grandmother had balls,
200.
she'd be my grandfather, okay?
It would have put me like 250, dude.
If my grandmother had wheels, she'd be a bike. What? It's a chicken carbonara. Oh, shit. GG's. High grade play this, but